Now, if you're if you're like me and you do a lot of stuff in a wood shop, or you're doing designing, drafting, woodworking, and you got to do plans and stuff like that, you go through quite a bit of graphite, lead, whatever you want to call it, in these type of pens. And this is a good quality one here. I have a couple sets of these that I use pretty regularly, but you know, I go through the lead or slash graphite in it quite a bit. So I have this set here that this company was willing to send out to me to do a review on, and I want to show you what you get if you order this. You have a huge selection of colors, red, yellows, green, blue, whites, and of course plenty of the just a plain black color refills. These are all the 2.8 millimeter refills in here, and they're all individually packaged up, so they're not going to break on you. They're going to be ready to go when you need them, and you just refill them into your pencil and you are good to go. This is a pretty good set. It's got, let's see, 36 pieces in there: blue, green, white, red, yellow, and black packages. So just a great set. And again, I go through quite a bit of this because I do a lot of drawing when I'm designing some of these vases and other things, and bowls, stuff like that. Whether you're doing it on paper, designing stuff, or architect work, these things come in handy, and you're gonna need refills. So if you're looking at this particular set of refills and you're curious what you get, here they are right here. Now, this company was nice enough to send these out to me to do this review, and I've been using their product for a little while now, different ones that I have, and I've been very happy with it. And I want to thank them for willing to send these out to me, because these will definitely come in handy for me. And I hope this short video shows you what you're going to get, and you can determine whether or not they're right for you. But if you have one of their pencils, then you're definitely going to go through the lead, and this refill kit is extremely handy. So there you go. Hope this video helps you out.